Ooh. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to your girl's channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for supporting me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe because we have a good time over here. In today's video, I'll be sharing a cozy night routine of how I unwind after work, cook, do some skincare, and prepare for the next day. So let's get into it. If I could fly, I would probably never come down. So the first thing I like to do after a long day to set the vibes is light some candles, and we can't just have one candle. No, baby. Minimum 3 candles lit over here. I like my whole place to smell good. So I'm gonna call the bros, tell them roll up one right now. I'm trying to smoke. I'm so high, that's just how I get by. Let it burn to the motherfucking sky. It's that kill, it's that fire. I'm trying to smoke. Hey, yeah. Life's no fairy tale. I know all too well. Gotta plant the seed. One thing I've been incorporating into my skincare routine is my Marie Collagen eye gels, and it really helps me decompress after a long day because, child, life be lifing, and self-care is not optional, it's very much required. Heaven and hell, if you know, you know, that shit is beautiful. You gotta just let it go. Yeah, spark up a blunt and smoke. Better blow that shit out, man. Yeah, yeah. If I could fly, I would probably never come down. Yeah, with all of the bullshit, confusion on the ground. I wish that I was high, cause I can't live my life when it's loud. So I'm gonna call the bros, tell them roll up one right now. Trying to keep myself from looking over the edge. I know life's a bitch, but she could at least give me head sometimes. I mean, is that too much to ask? That's why lately I've been smoking on gas. I know God is good, I know He keep me alive. I be probably talking to Him most when I'm high. When I'm high, I see through the smoke and the mirrors. When I'm high, I see everything crystal clear. If I could fly, I would probably never come down. With all of the bullshit, confusion on the ground. I wish that I was high. Y'all know I'm a Cetaphil and Alvino girl, which are the products I use every day on my face. I love me a good facial daily cleanser that suds up because, y'all, if it doesn't suds up, I don't feel like my face is clean. Then I go in with my Alvino Triple Oat Serum. So I partnered up with Caraway Cookware. Caraway Cookware sets are designed to make your life easier, healthier, and they come with organizers at no extra cost. The products are 100% non-toxic ceramic cookware, easy cooking, and high design. It also has no harmful chemicals, eco-friendly, ethically manufactured, and sustainably packaging. They have so many beautiful colors to complement your home. Girl, go ahead and make that investment into your kitchen and health. Be sure to use my link in my description box below to get 10% off site-wide. And thank you again, Caraway Cookware, for sponsoring today's video. So y'all know one thing about me is I love trying new recipes off of TikTok. I don't know, it's something about cooking new meals that makes me so excited about cooking. So today we're making jerk salmon pasta. When I try new recipes, y'all, I have to get every single ingredient because we gotta make this a good experience. So here I'm just cutting up a red pepper, green pepper, sweet onion because look, your girl likes to throw down when it comes to food, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna put all of the ingredients, recipe, all of that in the description box below in case you guys want to give it a try. So yeah, let's get into the cooking, y'all, because your girl is about to whip it up. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain. What I need for keeps this silly game we play. Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. When I tell y'all this jerk salmon pasta was it, baby, it was so good, y'all. And this was my first time making it. It was the truth, like for real. I highly recommend to try it if you're open to trying new recipes. She's all alone throughout the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free her mind at night. At night, day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free her mind at night. She's all alone, some things will never change. It's only right to end the night off with good healthy habits like oral hygiene. First thing we got to do is floss and get all of that food out. And then I go in with brushing my teeth. And at the end, I use my favorite mouthwash, which is TheraBreath. Y'all, I've been loving this TheraBreath lately, okay? It doesn't burn your mouth like other mouthwash have done to me. And I don't know, I've just been loving it. So if you haven't tried it, girl, you need to try it, okay? Gracious, I can't wait for him. Who has got the time? Round and round and round and round we go. It's just like the same scenario. Good for nothing, feels like something ain't right. Right before I go to bed, I like to plan out the next day so when I wake up, it's already done. I use the Good Notes app for all my digital calendar planning. And you can also download this app on your MacBook and iPhone, and it will sync on all devices. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching, and I love y'all so much. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.